Finally. Tonight we're going to draw Megarus. Now, let me just unfold this Bakugan. This is the tail. There. In a way, this Bakugan has been... Well, I've been planning to draw this Bakugan for quite some time. I still have its character card, even though I don't really know what plants I've done it for. I plan to do this for. Why not start tonight? Anyway, yeah, getting started. We just start by drawing his eye. Just move this up. Alright, there he is. There's the upper half of his skull. Here's the nose. That's what you have to do when you start to draw a megarus. You just start by drawing the nose. Alright, so next we just draw this part here. Here's his dorsal fin. Here's his flippers. Alright, so here is the here are the 4 flippers that are part of Megarus's body design. He's like a plesiosaur or a mosasaur related Bakugan. There we are. Here are the flippers here. There's this flipper here. Now let's draw this part here. Last thing to draw is this part here. There's the fin. And this part as well. And done. There he is. That is how you draw Megarus. I may have experienced a lot with this Bakugan. I don't know why I even got this. I just picked it up just for a few reasons. One is I never got to see his ball form, and two, I did get to see it in ball form a few weeks after. And this is what he looks like. Ball form and in open state. That's what I plan to do for tonight. Anyway, I'm proud I got to draw this Bakugan for you guys. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and let me know what Bakugan you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later, farewell, and good night. Until next time, see you soon.